Imagine planning a perfect trip. You've packed everything you need into your backpack, and the temperature is ideal for camping. Everything points to a perfect night. The next morning, you wake up shivering. You touch the tent wall, and it's soaking wet. In fact, everything inside is damp. But here's the mystery. It didn't rain at all during the night, and the tent is completely waterproof. Where did all this water come from? The answer is inside you. Every time you breathe or sweat, your body releases moisture into the air. And in a closed space, that moisture has nowhere to go. One of the biggest mistakes people make when the temperature drops is closing all the ventilation flaps. They do it to keep the cold air out, but they are actually trapping the moisture inside. Another common mistake is keeping wet clothes or damp towels inside the tent. This extra moisture evaporates during the night and ends up straight on the walls, making the problem even worse. To prevent this, always leave the ventilation mesh open, even if it feels cold outside. You should also face the tent's main vents toward the wind to help air flow smoothly through the shelter. Keep your gear away from the tent walls to avoid direct contact with any moisture. Also, using a good footprint under your tent adds an extra layer of protection against ground dampness. This isn't just about comfort, it's a matter of safety. Sleeping in a damp sleeping bag destroys your body's ability to retain heat, which can quickly lead to hypothermia. When the temperature drops outside during the early morning hours, that wet environment inside will make you feel freezing cold, no matter how good your jacket is. So, remember the golden rule of camping. Airflow is your best friend. Keep those vents open, keep your gear dry, and enjoy a safe adventure in the great outdoors. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more camping hacks. Stay warm, stay safe, and see you on the next trail.